In a classroom, 4 friends are seated at A, B, C, D as shown in the figure. Chameli and Champa walk into the classroom. So we have 2 people walking in. And after observing for a few minutes, Champa asked Chameli, this will never happen, but anyways. So one of the girls is asking the other one, don't you think ABCD is square? So they're asking, is ABCD a square? So Chameli disagrees. Okay, Champa asked, Chameli told no. Right? This is not a conversation that any of you will have that I know. But anyways, this is the question. Using distance formula, find which of them is correct. So we have to figure out who is correct. So first we'll make a small note on about square. A square has what? Equal sides and angle and diagonal, right? So thing is, I want you guys to, whenever you talk about quadrilaterals in coordinate geometry, try to talk about the diagonals. Most of the answer becomes very simple to calculate if you talk about the diagonals. So here, if we find AC and BD, if they're not equal, then you're done. If not, you have to find at least 2 sides. Say this and this. To be frank, you guys know you have to find this and this, and they are not equal. But say you don't know the diagram, you're not able to see that. Here it's very clear. But say you're not able to see that, then it becomes difficult. So there are questions out there wherein it's not easy, by you can't draw it because you won't have graph sheet, right? Such a scenario, it's better to handle with finding the diagonals. Okay. So in coordinate geometry, diagonal plays a big role. So please learn the basics, which is done in your basic math. So learn about the quadrilaterals in this chapter. It's going to be useful. So again, first we're going to start off with writing given. So wherein we have A, which is okay. Yeah, we are not found ABCD coordinates. So now you pause the video, and have a go at the coordinates. So point A is 3 across and 4 up. So 3, 4. D is 6 across and 1. C is 9 across and 4. And B is 6 across and 8 up. So that's your coordinates. So we have 3, 4. B is 6, 8. C is 9, 4. And D is, I don't have space. So 6, 1. All these are your X. And the second one is your Y. It helps to write that down. And now we are talking about given, then you have your working. So first is your distance formula, right? Always the formula. They do give marks for that. So the formula goes like x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square root of that. And now we have AC, the diagonal. So AC square is equal to, so we are looking at 9 minus 3, right? Identify which is A and which is C, and X and X, plus Y and Y, 4 minus 4. So this is 6 square, right? This is 0. This is 6 square. So AC is equal to, AC square is equal to 6 square. So AC is equal to 6 units. Okay. So if you're not getting the calculation, you try it out, you'll get the same answer. But yeah, this is the length of calculation. This is how much writing you have to do. That's all, not more than this. It's very simple. You should not be wasting your time. So BD square is equal to 6 minus 6, 0 square plus 8 minus 1 square, so 7 square. So this is entire thing is 7 square. Therefore, BD is equal to 7 units. So clearly the diagonals are not equal. So it's not a square. Done. As diagonals or not equal, it's not a, I'm using symbol just to make you guys familiar with the coding part. Please don't write all of this, write the entire thing. It's not a square. Okay, generally SQ is what they write. So who was correct? Thus, Chameli was correct. This carries half a mark. The last statement, that is, it carries half a mark.